In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can promote someone else's product and earn commissions as an affiliate. Doing direct linking is simple. It's a step by step process. If you follow the steps and you take massive action, you will see how you can become a super affiliate. And in this video, I'm going to reveal a new network which perhaps you have not heard of, and I'm going to show you the products that they have on their marketplace which you can promote. At the end of this video, I'm going to give you a surprise where you can actually promote one of the best products online and earn 50% commission. The conversion rate on that product is very, very high, and you can take that product, start driving traffic to it, and you're with a very minimum traffic, very minimum visitors, you can potentially see sales and commissions come in, because the conversion rate and the CPV is very, very high. So stay tuned, because I'm going to reveal the product that's converting very, very good, and that could make you potentially a lot of money by promoting it as an affiliate. So let's dive into this video and let me show you which product I am talking about, which network I am talking about, and how you can join this network for free, find very, very good products to promote and start earning commissions. Now, this is a network where some of the top super affiliates have joined and they are crushing it. That being said, that does not mean that you're going to crush it too, okay? It all depends on how you put it into work, how you take action, how much effort you put in, and how you follow the program, systems, and trainings, okay? So just because someone gets a result does not mean that you're also going to get results. Sometimes you can get zero results, sometimes you can make a lot of money, sometimes you can't make, you might make less money. It all depends on your effort and your determination on how you take massive action and how you follow the steps. So let's get into this and let me show you the network. Okay, so I don't know if you've heard about this network. It's a network called Explodely. It's a network where they have hundreds and even thousands of digital products that you can choose and promote and earn commission. They pay 20%, 25%, they pay 50%, they also pay 75% commission that you can earn through this network. Now, joining this network is free, okay? So you can just go to Explodely. So if you go to this website here, okay, you're going to come to this website here and you're going to create a free account. So you're going to come here and you're going to create a free account. You can watch this video, you can go through the whole page here, okay? So you can see affiliate, sellers, checkout, etc. You can see they have a lot of information about this affiliate network. All right. And it's a very great network. They have some very, very good products on this network. Okay. So if you want to join this network, a lot of people get confused. They just don't know how to join because you can't see any kind of join button down here. It's very simple. If you click on login here, then it says here affiliate login, seller login. Okay, you just want to click on affiliate login and then a page will come up and it will tell you to join. Okay, that's one way. A second way is you could click on this free sign up, and when you click on this free sign up, it will give you an option whether you want to join as an affiliate or as a seller. Sometimes this free sign up button doesn't work, so the best way to do it is just go to login, click on affiliate login, and down on that page you're going to see a link where it says sign up if you are not a member. Once you're inside the members area, you want to click on these three lines, okay, and then it's going to give you all these options, and one of the options is going to be the marketplace. So when you come to the marketplace, you're going to find all these products to promote, okay? So you can see here the first product is called IC Algorithm, $17.27 product price, commission is 75%. Okay, the refund rate is 5.99%. If I click on the sales page, okay, I could see that this product is something to do with, I don't know, okay, I can't just tell you from looking at the sales page. all right? But I have found some of the products on this network to be very, very hype, okay? So the hype is too much, so be very careful. I would not promote any product until I can verify that it's a very good product, it's a legitimate product, it's a product that's going to help the customer, it's a product that's going to help someone change their life, okay? And the best way to do that is just purchase the product yourself, go through the members area, and then put yourself in a newbie shoe, asking yourself, do you believe that this product is something that if you implement every single thing that you have learned in the members area, it will change your life, it will help you make money online? If the answer is yes, great. If the answer is no, then you just want to stay away from that product, okay? You also want to see that if they're providing any kind of value within the members area, okay? So you can see here, there are some of the top products down here, and they have got some very hypey names of these products. Look at this, Cash Duplicator. These are the type of products that 10 years ago ClickBank used to host as well. If you can remember those days, 10 years ago ClickBank had these type of products where people were crushing it, people were smashing it, people were making multiple six figures a month in affiliate commission with ClickBank. Now ClickBank doesn't allow these type of products. If you have these type of product, ClickBank will just disapprove, because ClickBank has become very, very strict, and they want only good products that provides value. So if you want to promote any kind of product, it's very simple. You just click on this promote button, okay, and they're going to give you an affiliate link, and you want to actually drive traffic to that affiliate link. And every time you drive traffic, someone purchases the product, you're going to make a commission, and you could see how much commission you're going to get paid based on the commission rev share. So you could see here, this product is for $37, and the commission percentage is 60%. So you could do the math here, that how much you're going to get paid. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I am going to give you access to a product that you can promote and drive traffic, and you can make a lot of money because the conversion rate is very, very high. Okay, so what you want to do is, first of all, you want to go to the marketplace, okay, and once you come to the marketplace, you're going to see here, enter search keyword, and in there, you're going to search in this keyword here. You can see here, it's called Insta Profit System, okay? So you just want to put this keyword inside, and when you put this keyword inside, you're going to come to this product down here, okay? Insta Profit System, proven Instagram cash machine. It's a very, very good, latest, legitimate product that teaches how to make $100 plus every single day using free traffic, Instagram with 0 followers, and then how to grow your Instagram account from 0 to millions of followers, and how to grow your income from $100 to $1,000 days. It's a very good product with a lot of cool bonuses, okay? And you can promote this product and you can make a lot of money potentially, and a lot of commissions potentially. It's a very good product, very good sales page, and it has a very good conversion rate. You could see here, down here, the product price is $27, very cheap. It's worth $497. This product, in my opinion, because everything you get with this product, the 6 exclusive bonuses that you're going to get with this product, etc., etc., I believe this product is worth $497. Getting it for just $27 is just a bargain. In my opinion, it's a bargain. You can never find any product similar to this one for just $27. So much value packed product with every trading video, latest trading video, teaching you how to turn your Instagram account into a cash machine. When you promote this product, you're going to get paid 50% commission. And guess what? This product converts very, very good. So if you drive a good quality traffic with very minimum traffic, you can expect to see sales potentially, okay? Because this product converts very, very good. If you're interested in promoting this product, it's very simple. Just come to here, type in this keyword. You're going to find this product here with this title here, okay? And you just want to, if you want to buy it yourself and go through the members area, which I recommend you do, it's one of the good products and best products out there, then you could just click on buy now and you could buy the product. If you want to promote the product, just click on this promote button, and you're going to come here, click on create affiliate link, and it's going to create your affiliate link. This is going to be your affiliate link here. You just want to start driving quality traffic to this link, and with very minimum visitors, I expect you to make money and sales, because it's a very, very high converting product. Now, if you want to promote products using paid traffic, then here's one of the best paid traffic sources that you can promote products on. You can start driving traffic, and it allows you to do direct linking as well. Even though I do not recommend you do direct linking, because with direct linking, you can end up making zero sales or with no business, so you just lost all the money. So I recommend what you do is you go out there and you build a massive subscriber list. So if you build a list of subscribers, you can promote different products, different opportunities, and start making money online. Okay, so this was all about how to promote other people's products to earn commissions. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget, if you have questions, just leave a comment, and I will see you in the next video.